what we have here today is a 2009 Nissan Altima. It won't start. It won't open the switch or anything. It lights up. Doesn't open the switch. It's locked. I already tried the battery. I already tried a couple of things that didn't work. Step on the brake and try to start. It doesn't work, but it unlocks and locks the doors. It recognizes the key when I put it in. It asks me, but it won't start. After so many researches, I think what's going on is the steering lock is bad. That model is bad, and I'm gonna replace it right now. I purchased a new one in eBay, and let's see how that goes. I'm just gonna plug it before disconnecting it to make sure that it starts, and if it does, we're ready to go. Hopefully it's that. I'll see you shortly. Okay, so I got the piece connected, the new piece. I'm not gonna install it completely until I try it. And here we go, we're gonna try it. Hey! And here we go. And here we go. Oh, I bought this on Amazon. It came up to like $405. And the bad one, well, I'm gonna remove the bad one now and put the new one in. And we're ready to rock after 2 weeks being here home. I finally got the time to do this. Hello. Yeah.